Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, and boy, do we have a showdown for you. In the left corner, we have the Holy Stone HS-430, a mini beast with a camera. And in the right corner, it's the TENSSENX GPS drone, the big kahuna with a 4K camera. Let's see which one of these flying gadgets deserves your hard-earned cash. First things first, let's talk about the price. The Holy Stone HS-430 is a steal at just $77. Reviewers often mention that it offers good value for a quality drone, making it like finding a diamond in the dollar store. On the other hand, we have the TENSSENX, priced at $169. While it's more expensive, many reviewers feel it justifies the price with its rich feature set and durability. For that kind of money, it better come with a personal butler and a lifetime supply of batteries. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, the cameras. The HS-430 sports a 1080p camera. While it's good for still photos and offers a wide-angle lens, some reviewers note that the video quality is starting to show its age. Think of it as watching Netflix on a 90s TV. Meanwhile, the TENSSENX flexes with a 4K ultra-clear camera. According to reviewers, it captured a stunning detail, making it feel like you can see the individual feathers on a bird from a mile away. If you're a camera snob, the TENSSENX is your new best friend. Flight time is another biggie. The HS-430 gives you nearly 30 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. Reviewers appreciate this extended flight time for a mini drone. But the TENSSENX? Oh, it laughs in the face of the HS-430 with a whopping 46 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love this extended duration, noting that it's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show while your drone is off doing its thing. Portability is crucial, especially if you're planning to take your drone on adventures. The HS-430 is so compact it fits in the palm of your hand, making it the James Bond of drones, sleek, small, and ready for action. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight and quiet design. The TENSSENX, on the other hand, folds up nicely and comes with a durable carrying case, making it the Swiss Army knife of drones. Both are portable, but the HS-430 is more like a pocket rocket. Now, let's talk fun factors and features. The HS-430 is packed with tricks, high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and even a throw-to-go feature. You can literally toss it in the air and it takes off. Reviewers find it incredibly fun and easy to use, perfect for beginners. The TENSSENX, however, comes with GPS auto return home, follow me, waypoint fly, and a bunch of other intelligent features. It's basically a flying genius. While some reviewers have noted issues with the auto return feature, overall, it's praised for its advanced functionality. If the HS-430 is a party drone, then the TENSSENX is the valedictorian of the Drone Academy. Overall, the Holy Stone HS-430 is praised for being easy to set up, fun to use, and offering good value for its price. Reviewers highlight its power, stability, and camera quality, despite some minor drawbacks. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone receives high marks for its functionality, ease of use, durability, and impressive camera quality. While it has a few quirks, especially with the auto return feature, it is highly recommended for both beginners and experienced users. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS-430 is perfect if you want a fun, affordable, and portable drone. But if you're serious about your aerial photography and need all the bells and whistles, the TENSSENX GPS drone is your go-to. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.